In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Showhide filters in Tableau with a button in just a few minutes. So, if you've been looking to enhance your Tableau dashboards with a handy button to show or hide filters, you're in luck. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, make sure you have Tableau open on your device. If you haven't already installed it or opened it up, hit pause and do so now. Once you have Tableau open, you'll want to access your worksheet. This is where all the magic begins. Think of your worksheet as the canvas where you'll be crafting all your visualizations and insights. Next, navigate to your dashboard. This is a crucial step because the dashboard is where you'll integrate all your sheets and elements, creating a coherent and interactive presentation. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll need to drag a vertical container onto it. A vertical container acts like a flexible organizer, letting you align and manage different elements more smoothly. It's important here to select the floating option. This setting allows your elements to be positioned freely within the dashboard, giving you more creative control over how everything looks and feels. With the container in place, find and drag any filter you'd like to use into this container. Filters can help users interact with the data dynamically, and placing them within a container keeps everything neat and organized. Locate the drop-down menu associated with your filter. Click on it to reveal various options. From this list, select Add Show Hide button. This feature allows users to control the visibility of the container's contents by simply clicking a button, a user-friendly approach to a cleaner dashboard. After you've added the button, go back to the drop-down menu and select Edit button. Customizing this button can make it stand out. You can add an image to it, selecting something that aligns with your dashboard's theme or style. This step isn't mandatory, but is great for visual appeal and user engagement. With your image added, the next thing you'll want to do is click Apply, then OK. This saves your settings and commits the changes, ensuring that everything is locked in place and functioning correctly. Now here's where the fun part begins. To test your button, press and hold the Alt key, then click on the button you've just created. This simulates how users will interact with it, allowing you to ensure it toggles your filters on and off as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully added a Show Hide button to your Tableau dashboard, offering a cleaner, more interactive experience for your end users. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for more Tableau insights and tips.